Okay, good morning, good day, good evening. Got a 2000 Infiniti i30 here. It's got bad bearings on the air compressor and the clutch is shot. It's way down there. So we're gonna work on removing that with the low pressure AC line, the high pressure AC line. Looks like we can reach those bolts from the top here. And this here is the bolt to remove the tension on the belt, to remove the belt. So I'm gonna jack it up, take the car off, and then take the belt off. Alright, to get those bolts down there, you need a 12mm, a bunch of extensions. Okay, so there's the air compressor. It's got 4 bolts, 14mm. Top one. Right up in there. A little bit tricky to get to, but not impossible. So it's about to come out. Then we'll put the new one in. Beautiful brand new compressor. Shot old crappy one. New O-rings. Reinstall. Alright. Alright, so after you get all the screws bolted down and the compressor installed and the lines reconnected, untightened, put your vacuum on. Run it for about an hour. Make sure you are safe with your Freon. Recollect all of it before you open the lines so you can recycle it and take care of the environment. Just put everything back together, splash guard, all tight. Belt's got 1/4 inch. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. All better. Yay! No more noises.